show you one symbol of Navruz holiday, which Tajik people, in general Persian people, lie down tablecloths, and we call it Haft Sin and Haft Shin. I would like to show you the clothes. So we call it sipan. In this table we lie down seven things which start with letter S and have seven things which start with letter S from the beginning here. So start with sipan. We start with span. So this is kind of very useful plate which grew up in our mountains, and we sometimes burn it in order to kill the virus, different kind of virus. So for COVID-19 it's also very useful, some people say. So this one is carrot. It's also a symbol of and belongs to the seventh sin. Then grass, sambusa, and then we have Serkeh, Senjed, and garlic. And then that one is also national food, Sumanak. And then come here, we have apples. Seeb is also for the sin table. And then come here, please. Let's come here for table of which start with letter Shir. So in many places, for example in Iran, in Afghanistan, they don't have two tables, they have only one table. So they have only sin table, but in Tajikistan we have sin tables and shin tables. So come here, this is morning food. Usually in mountains places people make it. This we call it Shirwan. It consists of bread, national bread, milk, and national plate. And then we have juice. Sharbat is juice, and candle. And then we have Shirini. It comes from different types of fruits. And then Shakarob is also kurtob. Shakarob, if you know this. This is also national food. Usually we have it in spring and summer, and then grass. And the last one is Shirbirinj, which consists of rice and milk. So this was our table for Navruz holiday. This is celebrated in all parts of Tajikistan with these tables. Thanks a lot.